YouTube, what is y'all doing? Today we doing something we don't do a lot of in this video to this car. Maintenance. So what we doing today, we're flushing, changing the rear differential fluid. I've never done it on the car before. In fact, I don't even know that it's ever been done on this car. But I got my fluid, and I think I got everything I need, some new washers and everything to go on the drain bolts. I got 2 quarts of the Amzoil gear oil and 3 crush washers. I only need 2, but I got 3 just in case. And these crush washers are just for the the drain and fill plugs. So I think that's about all we need. Now y'all know I hate getting under the car, so I'm gonna bag it up on ramps, and I'm probably still gonna throw the jack stands under there. So let's get to it. All right, YouTube, I got it bagged in on the ramps. Decided to swap places with the truck because I thought it would give me more room, especially with the door right here. Anyway, we will be going under the rear of the vehicle because that's where the rear diff is. So let me get everything else set up and we'll start digging into it. All right, so I got the top fill plug loose right up here. You can see it right there on your screen. I did it off camera. I had to drop my exhaust because I'm running a bigger exhaust than factory, so I didn't have the room I needed to get to this bottom bolt, which is the drain bolt. So I've already hit it with some PB blaster or some type of penetrating oil. This is all I had, so we're gonna pray about it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try and loosen this drain bolt right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's probably gonna be a pain, but let's see if we can get it in. There we go. Let me get my catch jug. Hopefully it doesn't go all over the floor. I'm saying hopefully because I know it is. And we're gonna drain this and see what it looked like. Like I said, I don't think this has ever been done, so there's that. It is kind of dark. This stuff does stink. Not gonna lie to you. All right, we're gonna let that drain. All right, I don't know how well y'all can see this. I got the old washer still on there. The drain bolt has a magnet on it. As you can see, it's captured all this little metal on there. This gooey stuff. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get this stuff cleaned off so I can reinstall it, put new washers on it and everything. So that's what it looks like. All right, this is our old fluid. I think the new fluid is like clear almost. So definitely time to change this. I'm glad we're getting it done. This looks like chocolate milk. Yuck. And it stinks. All right, so let's go ahead and get our bolts installed and fill it back up. I won't be able to show y'all what the new fluid looks like because it's in like this pouch thing. So probably miss out on it. I let it drain for like 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and it was ready to go. So we'll go ahead and start trying to get it filled up. Also, this is what I was talking about. These are the pouches that I'm using. I got 2 of them. There's another one tucked out in here. So I'm gonna put both of those in there. You're just gonna fill this until it starts pouring out of the fill hole. Once it starts doing that, go ahead and reinstall your fill plug, and then you should be good. All right, I don't know how well you can see it, but how it's pouring out right now, that's pretty much how you want to have it. Then you want to go ahead and install your fill plug while it's dripping. Let's see if I can get it started. Here we go. All right, let me tighten that one up. All right, now I'm just getting them snug. You don't have to get these too doggone tight, but you want to make sure it's not dripping. So I'm gonna wipe this off, make sure they dry, so I can make sure nothing's seeping out. And it doesn't look like it is. I'm gonna let this sit here for a minute just to make sure I don't see any liquid coming out. And once that's good, I'm gonna go ahead and hang my exhaust back. It's a pain that I had to do that, but that's what you get for going aftermarket. All right, YouTube, I wasn't being really specific about the tools that I was using. So I got a 10mm hex head right here with a small adapter on it. I didn't need the extension because I had to drop my exhaust because I have an aftermarket exhaust. So I couldn't really finagle my way around it. So I had to drop it. So I didn't need an extension, I just needed this. And I used an adapter because I only had a 3/8 hex head. And that's pretty much all you need to do this job if you're not dropping the exhaust. If you are, I think that's a size 14 bolt that needs to come out, but you shouldn't have to do that. If you do, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so now I got it all full of fluid. Everything's back together. It does not appear to be leaking anything. So what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna go ahead, drive it off the ramps, take it for a quick spin, see how it is, if anything has improved or not. Regardless, I'm glad I got that done. So let me get all this stuff out of the way and then we can go for a spin. All right, YouTube, back in the car. Disregard this right here. I took my vent off, it's in the back, because I broke like one of the little plastic clips. I just need to glue it back together. And I haven't done it yet, so just disregard that right now. Finna pull it off the ramps and we're gonna see if I notice any difference. So I'm gonna go put some gas in here and so let's get to it. Put the seatbelt on, start her up. Brakes down. I'm gonna roll these windows up so y'all can hear what I'm talking about. Camera straight. All right, let's get to it. Let's see what happens. All right. Off the top, something does feel a little smoother already. I'm not even gonna sit up and lie to y'all. Now I drive this car every day, so if anybody's gonna notice a change with it, it's gonna be me. I don't drive it every day, but I'm the only one who really drives this car. Something does feel smoother. I'm not even gonna sit up and lie. Like just from how it rolls, it like engages a lot easier. And I picked the worst time to come out because Nashville traffic is at an all-time high right now. Also, y'all, I am still waiting for some black seats. I'm still looking around. I know it's a little tacky. I'm never gonna get the chance to turn. I might have to go out a little bit. Here we go. Okay. Something definitely feels smoother. Can't quite put my hand on it. I mean, the car didn't drive bad to begin with. I'm just doing some maintenance. All right, y'all, let's see if we can have a little bit of fun here. Let's see if it does anything. That was a small dig. I know the camera's shaking a little bit. I didn't go all out with it. All right, YouTube, we made it back home. I kind of got this little oil stain, this oil spill that I got cleaned up. It's not leaking anything, job done. I hope this helps somebody if I upload this, that you look at this video and you like, thanks for helping me out with that. It's pretty straightforward. Anyway, if you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. That's gonna be the end of this video, y'all. Peace.